So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. And in this video, we'll talk about Gen Academy APAC edition. There are some new challenges and there are some quick updates regarding the challenge also. So before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. Coming to the challenge directly, first of all, let me brief you about the challenge. So currently cohort 1 is live. That will be running from January till April. Okay, after that cohort 2 and cohort 3, and after that there will be hackathon. So whatever you are learning in this current cohort, you can apply it for the hackathon where you'll compete with global people and you'll be getting some cool swags prizes for 40 lakhs. Okay, now here who can participate? Anyone can participate. There is not a single option like whether you are student, innovator, startup founder, etc. Anyone can take part in it. Now here the event is started. There are some workshops. So most people were asking that we are completely new to this event. How will know everything? There will be some workshop, code labs and Google skills for practicing the labs. For that also I've already prepared and uploaded the solution. There will be some cool MCQ assessments and then project submission and cohort hackathon. So this is for cohort 1. After that in April cohort 2 and in July cohort 3 will start. So currently we are in cohort 1. You can see this is the journey like how to register. If you want to know how to register, I have shared the detailed video guide in the description. Mostly there is nothing. You have to simply click on sign in, enter your college details, etc., and you'll be able to register without any issue. After that you can select your tracks and attend workshops. So these are the simple things. You'll be getting some cool swags over there. There'll be some track specific submissions also, and anyone can take part in it. At least you should be 18 years of age. Now coming to the next thing, the solutions. These are the solutions for all the code labs. I'll show you. First of all, let me tell you about the 10-minute challenge. So the 10-minute challenge is that from tomorrow. That's why I'm making the video today only, because so that you are prepared tomorrow. So from tomorrow they are introducing a quick engagement challenge that will be questions based on the track. So if I just show you the tracks over here, so let me just come over here, go to submission. Do not worry if you face issue regarding submission. I'll make a dedicated video for that also, and it will be live very soon. So here these are the tracks like build and deploy AI agents using Gemini, connect AI agents to real world data using MCP, and build AI powered applications using AI ready database like AlloyDB. So these are the 3 tracks. You can select all tracks and complete the badges, or you can just select any one track. So based on the tracks you selected, you'll be having a 10 minutes to complete a quiz. Means they'll be giving you quiz just like in KBC we have said fast finger first. So like this there'll be fastest correct response will receive some cool rewards. Rewards means bag, t-shirts, cup, mug, bottle, etc. And one more important thing, if you miss this quiz, means if you are unable to perform in this quiz, that does not impact your swags for the Gen AI Academy APAC hackathon season. Means you'll be getting the swags there also, but if you win in this quiz you'll be getting some add-on swags. So you should participate. The benefit is that you'll be learning more and competing and getting rewards for your hard work. Okay. Now earlier they used to do that, they used to share a Google form over there. So now to reduce the traffic, what they have done, every day at 4 p.m. every day at 4 p.m. I think they'll be consecutively multiple times. Let me just see. So from tomorrow they are starting. So every day around 4 p.m. you need to log into your dashboard. This is the dashboard. Okay. Now here in the form section, you can see here is the form section. They'll just share the link. Means either they will share the link for the quiz, or maybe they will attach the quiz over there. So you have to just log in and answer the question. No separate links will be provided. So from tomorrow 4 p.m. it is being started. So if you have not registered in this event, hurry up and register. I've shared all the links how to participate. Also I have shared the dedicated playlist for you. Okay, I'll make a dedicated playlist also and share complete guide. And if you want credits, because if I just come over here, most of you want to complete the challenges also. If you come to a roadmap, here you can see there are some labs we have to complete. Okay, you can see these are the labs which we have to complete. So how are you completing it? For the solutions, you can just check the playlist. Means description. I have attached all the solution in the description box playlist. Okay. Also, I have shared the link, means video, how you can claim the credits. So how to claim the credits? You can watch this video, and how to redeem the credits also I will add the playlist. I will add the video for it. Do not worry about it. Now, once you have done all these things, okay, let me come over here. So these courses are optional to help you learn about the concepts. It's not compulsory that you have to do all these courses. It's optional for learning purpose. So you should do it. And these are the sessions. Okay. So MCQs, and there is no optional module. There will be any impact. So once the MCQ will be starting, so they have mentioned, okay, so you can see it will be starting for 4 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time, till 4:12. So you'll be having 12 minutes to answer this. So you can directly, what you can do, you can directly come to the form section or from roadmap only. Around 4 p.m. this link will be activated. So you can click on it and find the quiz over there. And you can see these are the lab tracks. So lab completion. So if you want, you can submit it also. There is no issue because submissions are also open. I'll make a video for submission, do not worry. As of now, what you need to do, you need to simply register for this event and be ready at 4 p.m. Better log in around 3:30 or 3:45 p.m. Okay, so that you are able to complete the quiz and you'll be getting some cool goodies there. So make sure to take part in this event. And if you're interested in other events where you can 100% get the swag, so these are the GFG and PCI event. The second event is the Google Cloud Arcade event, and there are multiple events running parallelly. So I'll share the link in the description. Make sure to take part in the event, take the benefit of these opportunities. And if you face any issue, any single issue, you can just comment down below. I'll try to help you. So have a great day ahead. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Bye.